Hello, and welcome back to Blissful Sleep. Tonight, we're counting down 10 mind-blowing facts about the universe. Take a slow breath, settle in, get comfortable, and dim the lights if you haven't already. Let's begin. Number 10. The universe is so vast that even light, moving faster than anything else we know, hasn't had time to reach us from every part of it yet. What we call the observable universe stretches about 46 billion light years in every direction. And yet, that may only be a small piece of everything that actually exists beyond it. Scientists believe the universe itself is far larger, possibly without any edge at all. It's a strange thing to sit with, that everything you'll ever see in your whole life is only a small window looking out into something far larger than that. There's nothing you need to understand about it tonight, only the quiet size of it, settling gently around you. Number 9. There are more stars in the universe than there are grains of sand on every beach and desert on Earth combined. Astronomers estimate somewhere around 200 billion trillion stars scattered across the visible universe, each one its own quiet, burning point of light, most too far away for us to ever properly see. Somewhere out there tonight, some of those stars are only just beginning to shine, while others burned out long before you were born. There's a strange comfort in that scale, how small any one worry becomes next to that many stars. Number 8. Close to a black hole, time itself begins to slow down, stretching out compared to how it passes farther away. It's a real effect, confirmed by measurement, not just theory. Gravity strong enough to bend the passage of time the way it bends light. A clock placed near enough to a black hole would tick slower than one sitting safely at a distance. It's a gentle thought to hold on to as you drift, that time itself isn't as fixed as it feels, that somewhere it moves slower, softer, more stretched out than the minutes ticking by in your own room right now. Number 7. When a massive star collapses, it can leave behind a neutron star, an object so dense that a single teaspoon of it would weigh several billion tons here on Earth. All of that mass compressed into a space only a few miles across, spinning quietly in the dark long after the star that made it is gone. There's nothing to picture here but stillness, something so heavy, so quiet, resting undisturbed in the dark, far from anything that could reach it. Number 6. Our sun is only one of somewhere between 200 and 400 billion stars in the Milky Way alone. And the Milky Way itself is only one galaxy among what may be 2 trillion others scattered across the universe, each one holding its own stars, its own quiet corners of space, most never to be seen by anyone at all. It's easy to feel small next to a number like that. But there's a softness in it too. However far any of it stretches, you're still here, still resting, still held gently by all of it. Number 5. Some of the starlight reaching your eyes tonight left its source hundreds or thousands or even millions of years ago, meaning a few of those stars may not even exist anymore. Only their old light still quietly arriving. Every night, sky is, in a small way, a look into the past. There's something gentle in that thought, even if it sounds sad at first. That light keeps traveling long after its source is gone, patient and unhurried, arriving exactly when it's meant to. Number 4. Venus rotates so slowly that a single day there, one full spin, takes longer than its entire year, the time it takes to orbit the sun. It turns so gently, so unhurried, that by the time it finishes one slow rotation, it has already circled the sun and started again. There's no rush anywhere in that. A whole planet, turning slower than it travels, in no hurry at all to arrive anywhere. Number 3. For all its stars and planets, the universe is mostly empty space. And even the matter we can see and touch makes up only a small fraction of everything that's out there. Most of it is something scientists still can't fully explain. Quiet and unseen, filling the space between everything else. It's a strange kind of peace, knowing that most of everything is simply space. Quiet, open, and still. The same stillness you're settling into right now. Number 2. Even as some stars fade and collapse, new ones are quietly forming right now. Deep inside vast clouds of gas and dust, called nebulae. It's a slow process, taking hundreds of thousands of years. Gravity gently pulling material together in the dark until, eventually, something begins to glow. Somewhere above you tonight, something is being born this slowly, this quietly, with nothing to rush it along. The same patience you can borrow for yourself right now. Number 1. Right now, above whatever roof is over your head, that same vast, quiet universe is still there. The same stars, the same slow, ancient light, arriving exactly as it has every night of your life. You don't have to understand any of it or hold on to any of it. It's simply there, patient and unhurried, the same as it's always been. And so are you, small, quiet, held gently underneath all of it, exactly where you're meant to be right now, drifting slowly off to sleep. And that's our list. 10 mind-blowing facts about the universe. If your eyes are already getting heavy, that's exactly what we hoped for. Thank you for spending this quiet time with Listful Sleep. Count down and drift off.